In problem 3, we know that the third term is 3 and the common difference is 4, and we're asked to find out what is the 15th term. And so we're going to think about our nth term. A sub n is equal to a1 plus common difference times n minus 1. And we could fill in a lot of this for the a15. I don't know what the first term is, but I do know that the common difference is 4. And I know that n is 15 because we're talking about the 15th term. So 15 minus 1 is 14. Now we got to figure out what is that first term. Well, let's go back to a3. a3 is 3. Now how do we make the third term a3? Well, we're going to take the first term plus the common difference times 3 minus 1. The common difference is 4. Like we said, our n is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Solving this equation, we got 3 is equal to a1 plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides, and we got negative 5 is equal to a1. That's great. Now I know what a1 is. And I'm going to plug in negative 5 right there. Now we can calculate the 15th term just by taking negative 5 plus 4 times 14. Well, 4 times 14, that's 56. Negative 5 plus 56 is 51. Next, we have to find the sum of all these terms. Well, this is going to be an arithmetic series because going from negative 3 to negative 6, that's adding 7. And if I go from negative 6 to 1, that's adding 7 as well. So we have this common difference. That means we're dealing with an arithmetic series. And the formula for the arithmetic series is the number of terms divided by 2 times first term plus last term. Well, that's great for us because we know the first term is negative 13 and the last term is 99. My problem is I don't know what n is, and that's where we're going to need a little bit of side work. So off to the side, let's take a look at that 99. How do we make it? We're going to make 99 by starting with our first term, negative 13, and adding the common difference n minus 1 times. We do know that the common difference is 7. We already said that we're going to add 7 to each term. So let's start solving. I got 99 is equal to negative 13 plus distributing the 7, we get 7n minus 7. So that means 7n minus 20 is equal to 99. And now we can solve. Add 20 to get 119. And then divide by 7. And that means n is 17. So we'll go ahead and plug that 17 in right there. Now it's pretty much up to the calculator. We know that we're trying to find the sum of 17 terms. And that'll be 17 over 2 times 99 minus 13 is 86. And that should give us 731. The last problem in this section is another summation problem. So using sigma notation. And our first step should always, always, always be list those things out. So what I'm going to do first is just write in for k, I'm going to plug in 9. So 5 times 9 is 45. 45 minus 20 makes 25. Then I'm going to bump that up to 10. So I keep adding 1 to the k. 5 times 10 is 50. 50 minus 20 is 30. Then I'm going to bump it up to 11. 5 times 11 is 55. 55 minus 20 is 35. Go dot, 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 all the way down to the end and plug in 32. 32 times 5 makes 160. 160 minus 20 is 140. Now we can think about our formula, because what we're going to try and do is find Sn. Okay. And so that will be n over 2 times first term plus last term. And the only thing is, what is n? How many terms are there? That's, remember, where we go back here. We're starting at the 9th term and going up to the 32nd term. So we're going to subtract those two. 32 minus 9 is 23, and add 1. 23 plus 1 makes 24. Now it's a matter of calculating. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 25 plus 140 makes 165. and multiplying those two together gives us 1,980.